What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP. Yeah, yo, man, y'all out here pump faking. All right, so check this out. Um, yeah, like I said, man, y'all out here pump faking, man. Y'all see the description, y'all see the title, man. Scared money don't make no money. Word up, what y'all afraid of? Thought y'all was ready. Thought y'all was ready for this game. I thought that's what brought you to this platform. Thought you was ready to build your brand. So what's the hold up? What y'all out there doing? You just taking all this information and just storing it? Letting this shit stockpile and not doing nothing with it? You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a lot of complaints. What's up? What's good with all these complaints? Like, y'all ain't doing nothing. Talk to me. What's good out there, ladies and gentlemen? All right. So like I said, man, scared money don't make money. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. All right. Y'all need to be promoting y'all shit, man. For real. Yo, if you're not promoting your brand, how people gonna know you got it? Huh? And I say all that to say this. I know a few people, that reached out for help and that have brands, and you know, I think the brands are pretty decent, but they ain't promoting it. They ain't pushing it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, yo, how you expect to make money? How you expect for people to see what you got going on if you're not showing them? You're not talking about it. You know what I'm saying? Like if you camera shy, shit, link up with somebody that's not camera shy. You know what I'm saying? If you don't got the funds right now to put into this brand per se, uh, you don't got the money. Well, wait till you get the money. You know what I'm saying? But don't be one of those that's waiting too long and you miss your window of opportunity. I know everybody ain't the same, but something gotta give. You know, uh, there's only so much information I can give you, and others per se. I'm not the only one, giving out information on YouTube or whatever. There's a lot of other people on this platform that's giving out valuable information, but you ain't gonna get shit out of it unless you actually listening and trying to capitalize off the information that they giving out here for free. And some people charging. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong. I kick a lot of free game, but I charge for a lot of shit too. You know what I'm saying? I charge for my artistic services, my illustration, and a little bit of knowledge here and there. Cause we really don't got the time to be sitting around and counseling you when we trying to get our own shit up and running and cooking. You know what I'm saying? How we gonna run our businesses if we just sitting around all day on fucking gadgets, trying to build up your confidence to get you going. You know what I'm saying? So you guys gotta be you know, aware of that as well. Like outside of this, we got other things going on, but we handle it accordingly, balance. Some people, this is all they do. All they do. This is their main source of income. And others, they're doing other outside entities, to build up, revenue, to get things, going. Um, I'll give you another prime example I'm hearing a lot. It's like, somebody stole my idea, man. Like, I wanted to do that. Well, why you ain't do it then? Why you ain't do it? All right. no, I would like to say this, like no idea is 100% per se like original. Like you get inspiration from wherever you get it from, and that's what gets your creative, elements in your mind going to where you get to the point where it's like, all right, well now I want to do something with this and put something out. So if you see somebody else that has something similar to your brand or something you thought about putting out that you ain't put out yet, hey, what are you gonna do? Switch it up. I'll give you a prime example, right? Um, I had this design a while ago, called 1990 something. And a lot of people they want me to bring that hoodie back, but I feel like nah, I ain't gonna bring that shit back because I moved on. But now I see other brands that have designs as well, uh, called like 1990 something, and that's fine. I ain't gonna call them out and saying yo and say yo I did that first, or yo you can't do this because I did that already. It's a whole fucking era. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole decade, like 1990 something. You know what I'm saying? I could see if I was like, yo, okay, 1999 or 1992 or 1995. And even if I did, let's say even if you did do that, right? As long as the design ain't the exact same, like come on now. What you mad for? Especially if you're not trademarking it. What you mad for? Like get to it. Enough with the excuses. You know? Now if it's just like a blatant like copycat, just like undeniable situation, yeah, I would say, call them out. You know what I'm saying? Like same color scheme and so on and so forth. Yeah, that's a complete violation. But if they hopped on something before you that you got fucking jotted down in your notebook somewhere, don't nobody know you got that shit jotted down in your notebook somewhere except for you. What you gonna do with it? Scared money don't make money. All right. Now before this video ends, y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't never miss nothing. All right. But yeah. All I'm gonna say is, to everybody hitting me in my DM, with all these excuses or concerns or whatnot, yo, you just gotta do better, man. This is a grind. Nobody said that shit was gonna be easy. All right. Don't expect no handouts. Like grind, grind, grind. If I'm giving you a plug, hit them up. You know what I'm saying? Hit them up. What you waiting for? Do what you gotta do. Get it going. All right, get it going. And find your lane too, man. Find your lane. Just because I'm telling you and I'm showing you, like what I rock with, don't mean you gotta rock with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just throwing it out there, what I'm doing and what I got going on. But like, yo, if you don't like 100% cotton materials, hey, don't fuck with 100% cotton. Ask the manufacturer or what have you if they got cotton blends or polyesters, like whatever you like per se. All right, but just don't let nothing be an excuse to why you not up and running or starting something or getting things going. All right, if you like sublimation, hop into that. I don't rock with sublimation, therefore I don't never talk about sublimation. But if that's a lane you want to hop in, start reaching out to different suppliers and getting samples or purchasing some equipment to where you can make sublimation garments yourself. All right, but that's it for this one, y'all. Once again, like the title says, scared money don't make no money, yo. That's an old school saying. Scared money don't make no money. All right, I hope y'all working hard on your brands, man. Let's get to it. All right, let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, Pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.